You know, Madam Quality is a very generous woman. She calls everybody to bar. So she has called me to bar today. In case anybody looks for me, tell them I'm at Madam Quality's bar. Ebana atondo manu ne etinyi venisi. Okay,
Papa. Hey, Papa.
Yes.
We want to prepare soup today, Papa.
Oh, yes. I left 1,500 on the table, on the dining table. Please, use it to prepare quality nsala soup. With enough azund, okporoko, isiefi, wanchano toto, wanyatete, and the soup has to be enough to last for a long time. I don't want anybody to disturb me again tomorrow.
How am I supposed to prepare enough nsala soup with enough azundu, ishefi, okporoko, Papa?
May thunder strike that your noble mouth. If it won't be enough, why not add your own money? Are you not old enough to be independent? Are your mates not in their husbands' houses contributing to the welfare of their immediate families?
But Papa, if I had money to contribute, will I be asking you for money?
You don't have money, but you have AK-47 mouth. You don't have money. Let me just. Didn't you see me here?
I am sorry, Nai. I just came to share my good news with Odera.
And what is the good news?
I am sorry. It has nothing to do with you.
What is the good news?
Nai, Ifedi, nothing from. I just obtained my.
Is that the good news? So what is good about this nonsense paper you have obtained? Because and I'm quality.
Onyinye, please, I'm so sorry. That is the father I have. Papa doesn't care about anything other than his stomach. So what are you going to do now? Doesn't mean you won't obtain your own form? Too bad. Just so happy for you. Thank you. I finally got your voice. Mama, you're back.
Hey, my dear. Uju, you're cooking?
Yes, Mama.
Sister, how was it? You don't look your usual happy self. What's the problem? Did you fight with father again?
See, I have no issues with father. It's just that he is not listening to me. He's not paying attention to my dreams. Onyinye was here earlier with the nursing school form and told me about it in the presence of Papa. But he just pretended as if he did not know what we were talking about and completely ignored us.
And why did that surprise you? He has already told you that he is not going to train in school.
But that's not fair. It's not fair. I'm his daughter. He's supposed to train me to any level I want to attain in life.
You're preaching to the Pope. Papa has already told us that the greatest level a woman can attain in life is her husband's home.
That's not funny.
Yeah, Ujunwa, be serious for once in your life. Adam, don't worry yourself. Inugo, we will iron it out with him tonight. Inugo, Wam, I must make sure he gets you the form and see to your schooling. Don't worry yourself. Oh? Wait. Mama, it's not the part that I know. Anyway, I honestly wish you people good luck. And I want you to succeed. Because me, I also want to go to the university.
Ujuma, go inside. Mama, don't go. The food will soon be ready. Okay, I'll bring it for you people,
Nai, you shouldn't be saying that. She is our daughter. They are our children. It is our responsibility to train them in school. Oh, why can happen? Hey!
Our responsibility. Okay. If I ask you to contribute your own quota, will you?
Of course, I will gladly do that. Are they not my children?
Of course, I will gladly do that. To hit your own the ball. Okay, let me ask you, how are you even going to raise the money to do that?
Now, forget how I am going to raise the money. I am not lazy. Neither are my hands and legs broken. I can walk.
That's what you always say. But at the end of the day, I will be the one doing everything. Now, listen to me. I have done my best for her, seeing her through secondary school education. The best thing for her now is to get married and start contributing to the welfare of her immediate family. Also, when Obinna finishes secondary school, she will also get her own husband.
Eh? Papa? Papa, that will not happen, no. It will not happen at all. Because now I want to go to the university also.
Hey! Like when Obinna this one wants to go to Mahadum. Eh? Hey, Onoba, which one do you want to attend?
But my name is Chidera.
Is it a lawyering school, nursing school, or doctoring school? Eh? No to Isia.
Are they not your children?
No, I know is that Obanje daughter of Attack who is deceiving you. I know that. I will stop her from coming to this house. In fact, any other day I see that girl with this.
Papa, leave Onye out of this, oh.
It has always been my dream to become a nurse, and I've been telling you this for years now. Nobody talked me into it.
And it has always been my dream to see you get married after secondary school. Because woman's education ends in the husband's kitchen. So tell me why I should use the money I should have used in taking care of myself to train you in higher education, which will end in your husband's kitchen. Look, I have done my best for you. But if you still insist, then it should be your husband's cross. Count me out.
Oh. But why are you always thinking about yourself now? Me, I want to go to nursing school, oh. I want to go to nursing school, oh.
Listen. So the thing is, I have made it clear, very clear, that you are not going to any nursing school. Papa. Not at all. You are not going to any nursing school. Not at all.
Mama telling me, I want to go to the university.
You are not going to any nursing school.
Mama, you are keeping going telling me.
I've made it very clear.
Mama,
right now.
Go
and get married. Once you finish secondary school, you get married.
Stop calling my children names. Which one is Obinna Bunti? I don't like it. I don't like it.
Who sent me? Who sent me?
Mayo, easy.
Okay.
Be a man, hold yourself together.
I'm being a man, I'm trying to be a man, Please take it easy on me, Take it easy on me,
Okay. I've seen from where the issue is. Ogwepera, or just a minor Ifa pull-up. Manogaba. It's just a matter of time.
Okay.
Before then, you provide me a healthy cock and 3,000 naira.
3,000 naira?
Yes, a white cock, kokocha.
That is too much now. Where will I get that kind of money from?
This is normal. It's a normal routine. Where you will get the money from.
If I were to never done. Okay, let me give you 1,000 naira, please. 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 Okay, let me give you 1,000.
All right, no, it's okay.
Beg you, sir.
I'll work on it.
Thank you, Hey. God will bless you.
Bless you too.
God will bless you.
Keep your legs steady, please.
Okay.
Keep it steady. Keep it steady.
Okay. Okay, just that no Jim.
Easy. Don't move your leg.
Please take it easy on me,
Easy.
Take it easy on me,
Easier. Wanyoma. Nemo. How are you?
I'm fine. Udoka, what happened to you?
Udoka, you. No, place it on the ground. Don't raise that leg from the floor. Don't mind him. He wanted to be the next Sam Obaraji, but he didn't know what it takes.
Says who? I meant to be greater than him, if you don't know.
With these your injury-prone legs.
No, don't mind him. See, I trust you 100%. I know you do alarm proud, okay?
Thank you. I give it to you.
Alright. Thank you.
Football.
Okay. I'm coming back. Udoka, come here. Why the change of mood? What is wrong? Why are you sad? Stop the tears and talk to me now. I'm asking you.
The form for the nursing school is out. And my father refused to get mine from me. Even Onine, my friend, has gotten hers.
The form for the nursing school is out, and that is why you are crying when I am there. Is it not our dream? Is it not our future? How would you be crying as though you don't know who your father is? You know how he behaves. Please stop this, okay? I'll take care of that. Is it late now?
No, it's still on.
Good. Not to worry. I'll make sure I provide you with the money to get the phone.
But why would you be doing all that for me when I still have a father? I'm even ashamed to ask you for money.
That is not what you should consider. It is our future we're working towards. Okay? I need to make you the best woman you can be. How much is it?
12,500.
12,500 naira. So. Is that why you're crying? It's okay, my love. Just stay here. and give me a while. Let me go get you the money inside.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now don't cry again. Wipe those tears. You know, go. I'm coming.
Thank you.
What is
Get
it?
up. Please don't celebrate my bitch. Dance.
Sorry now, what is it?
See, I have the money for the nothing.
Are you serious?
I have it.
How were you able to raise it?
Onyeka gave it to me.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey! That Onyeka truly loves you.
Of course.
My God! I'm so happy for you.
I'm so
So you're finally going to go to nursing school.
God, I'm so happy. Finally, we'll go to nursing school. I can't wait.
Onoba. Who did you say gave you that money? Huh? I'm asking you, Onoba, who gave you that money?
Papa, it's Onyeka, my boyfriend. But Papa, since you refused to give me the money for the nursing school form, he decided to assist me with it.
Your boyfriend. In a friend, wow. And what happens after you must have secured the admission? I hope he'll be ready to see you through, providing money for everything. Or you didn't bother to ask him? Eh? You didn't bother to ask him? Now, return that money.
Papa. That's unfair.
If you hear fame from you, you are dead. Onoba, return the money to him.
Papa, I want to go to nursing school. Will
you return that money to him?
Papa.
Onoba, will you return that money?
Papa,
Will you return that money now? Will you return the money to him?
Papa, leave me away.
The money I will use to train a woman in higher education, I will rather go and deposit it at Madam Quality. Now, back here, small. Ne riputaru, arwana kwa muru. And a just a lati. But to accord.
Papa, leave me alone now, eh? Papa, leave me alone.
Thank you.
What is it again?
My father asked me to return the money.
Why?
He says he's not going to pay my tuition even if I secure the admission.
What is wrong? Why is your father so heartless? Why is he doing this?
Okay. Please, can you come and plead with him for me?
Okay. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, let me just freshen up, and then I'll come.
No.
No.
No. It's like you wanted to go out.
Yes, Chidera is having issues with her father. I want to go and play with him on her behalf.
That's so. Chidera, whatever it is, you bear it. It's only death that has no solution. Now, I want to see you for something important.
Something important? Oh man, Chimu, can't it wait?
I came under emergency, as you can see. Even the Rafu Bandaba, because
okay, you know what will happen? Just keep this money, head it away. Go home. I'll come and see you tomorrow when I'm done attending to them.
No, it's better.
I will.
So you can relax and talk better. When
What the woman?
Baby, when it comes.
Indo.
My son, I said I will ask you, why do you want to involve yourself into something you do not understand? Standing between father and daughter. As what? Are you that in-law?
Uncle,
No, tell me.
I love Odera. You know that. Everybody in this village knows the relationship I have with that girl. I will do everything to help her become somebody in life.
Hi. You know what I'm thinking? It is risky taking your money in her dreams without doing it officially. Declare marriage. Let's know where you stand. I will find a man as or you man as
I will do that. I will.
You see?
I will do that. That's why I want to support her to study this nurse. So that when we combine it with my bone setting, we'll make a formidable family.
No, I see a point there. I just say take wise decisions. So whatever you do does not come later to haunt you. You know, all that aside.
Do.
In fact, I came to borrow money. This is my situation. I promise to pay you back on next market day. Biko.
Uncle, this your sickness does not seem to be improving at all.
I am sure it will improve with proper medical attention. So lend me this money. I promise to pay you back next market day.
That's the reason I keep telling you I want Odera to study nursing. If she becomes a nurse now, she will help take care of you.
Yes, I now see your reason. In fact, it's clear.
Ego Nekicha, how much?
If
Hey! Ume merenya. Ume merenya.
Ofoka, what you did is good. Look at me. I don't believe in female education. Female education is a bloody waste of time and resources. Now imagine, after training a woman, her certificate ends in the dustbin.
In the dustbin.
A woman's place is in the man's kitchen.
She said it.
Oh yes.
A woman's place is in the kitchen.
I believe it.
I believe it.
Don't allow it. Where is the pepper soup?
Pepper soup, Madam Kwakwa. Pepper soup. Like I was saying, my daughter no banana. Do you know that she is so obsessed with that Mazo Korioji's son?
Hey, that bone setter.
Onyeka and shit.
Don't listen to anybody. Spend your money on yourself. Can you imagine? Oh, so after training your daughter in all the best university in the whole world,
then you come and marry a bone setter. Wait, he's getting business now because Okada is breaking people's legs and bringing business for him. What if they ban Okada?
Business, no more business.
Yes.
Your daughter wants to end up as a nurse.
Yes.
And then she gets married to a bone setter, a doctor. So I'm going to say doctor and nurse bone setters.
You see, I will invest my money in Madam Kwakwa because it does not crash. Madam Kwakwa cannot crash. It does not go distressed. Okay. Foolish people invest their money in banks. When the banks go distressed, they go to the village. I start cutting palm fruits. Oh yes, palm fruits in the villages. Okay, more useless people invest in MMM. And when MMM crashes, they commit suicide. They commit suicide.
Chidera, where are you coming from? Why the shock? I guess from Onyeka's house, right?
Yes.
But you don't look happy, like you normally do each time you go to see him. Talk to me, what happened? Did he give you the money?
Yes, he did. But Papa asked me to return it on the basis that he's not going to contribute a dime after I get my admission. So I went to Onyeka's house to plead with him to come and help me beg Papa. But his uncle walked in and stopped him from going with me.
Your father is so mean. I just don't understand him. In other words, why did Onyeka's uncle stop him?
I guess he doesn't like me. Onye, I don't know what else to do. Nobody tends to like me. Everyone hates me. Even my own father doesn't like me. Tell me, if my father that gave birth to me doesn't like me, who else will like me?
Yeah, please don't start here, not here. Please stop. At least I'm here for you. You're my friend and I like you and I love you too. Okay? So where are you going to?
I'm tired. I don't even know. I'm just...
But why would Onyeka do such a stupid thing? If Ichie does not want to send his daughter to the university, what business of his is it?
That's what I told him. But he claims to love and care for her, therefore interested in her education. No objection to that. Only if you can declare marriage, pay her bride price. So whatever you spend on her is not in vain. Eh? How I told him.
Why is that nice, Papa? Very wise. But I doubt if that girl is ever going to study well. Her father is something else.
Not her father's case. I don't know what to say. No?
Here you go, Papa.
Thank you very much. The issue of my father is even giving me a headache.
Sister, Papa, are you both talking about Uncle Onyeka and Auntie Chidera?
Yes. Uncle Onyeka wants to send that girl to school. Like he's unaware that her father is a magician that can stop Chidera from going to school anytime or forces Uncle Onyeka to marry her immediately.
Me, I doubt if that girl will stop after admission, no. I doubt that. And as for the marriage, that one is a sealed union. You know those two, they are inseparable. They are deeply in love with each other.
My dear, leave that thing. That's what you think. Anyway, I wish them luck.
Papa Ndo.
Papa Ndo.
Hey.
Papa. Huh? This your sickness is not getting any better.
It's okay. I've just taken drugs.
Ndo.
Oh.
Papa, me, I doubt if these drugs are working at all. I doubt so. Anyway, Brother Emeka has promised to take you to the city for proper treatment once his master settles him this month. Me, I'm earnestly looking forward to that, so I just pray you get better soon.
Me too.
I will get better, I promise you. I will be fine.
Your sickness is giving me sleepless nights, Papa.
Me too.
Yes. Now, in as much as my sickness is giving all of us a sleepless night, I am in support of what Onyeka is doing. I support his resolve. Because, when you want education, who will sit down? When you want education, it will go easy. That woman will. Oh? Like I promise you, I'll be fine.
Nah, good afternoon. Who are you?
Now you don't know me again.
Why am I supposed to know you? Are you the president of America? What are you doing in my compound?
I am Onyeka, the son of Mazi Okorioji.
Not even the son of the late Nnamdi Azikiwe. So what are you doing in my compound?
Papa, easy on him now.
Onoba, if you are here frame from you, if I handle you, got bad mama now. Ha. Young man, I'm asking you, what are you doing in my compound?
I came in respect of the incident that
Get out of my compound! Out! Out, I say!
Can you calm down?
Will you get out of my compound? Look at the one that is giving a woman money. Do you have shishi? Or is it because you are making kobo from bone setting? Don't worry, very soon they will ban Okada.
Let's stop embarrassing him now.
Papa, my name is
If I handle you, if I see you in this compound again, it's all right.
Dikeh, where are you coming from?
from Chidera's house.
Oh, to see her father. Did you succeed?
It was worse than I thought.
Oh my God, very serious. I don't know why the father is so bent on his decision not to send her to higher institution.
Becoming a medical nurse is a dream Odera cherished from childhood. I can imagine what she's going through right now.
Indeed, but not to worry, I know what to do. Where are you headed?
Let me go and see Odera. At least let me console her. I know what she's going through right now.
I would advise you don't go there now.
Why?
The father is not in a good mood. The mood he's in now, he might devour you. He believes we are all deceiving her. If you know what is good for you, look for somewhere else and go.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
Please, though, I'm not going again, no. I don't want anybody to beat me this hot afternoon.
Oh, this my body is so precious. Okay, it's later.
All right.
Nai, are you going out? I was coming to your place to see you.
Ah.
Yes.
What for?
I went to see Iyafokhai regarding his daughter, who wants to go to school by all means. She wants to study nursing at the higher institution, but the father won't let her. So I was thinking, since you're his friend, you can use your influence.
Oh. You want me to advise him to change his decision?
No, not exactly. I was thinking you would explain to him and make him understand the need for his daughter to get a good education.
Oh, education. Education for a woman that the certificate will end up in the dustbin? Education for a woman who will end up breastfeeding children and carrying children to school, and then, in fact, have you forgotten that our president said that the place of a woman is in the kitchen?
No, it's not in today's world.
It's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. What's that your name again?
Onyeka.
Onyeka. Take my advice. Leave what does not belong to you. This case does not concern you. You cannot tell my friend how to run his own family. Face your own warrant, no. What's your problem? Oh, you want my own friend to spend his hard-earned money, the money he's supposed to enjoy on himself, and be a man, and spend it on a woman's education that will end up in the dustbin.
Nai. So this is all about money.
Our money, no. It has to do with money. Ego, money.
Thank you for your time.
Oh, thank you yourself. Thank you. Thank you.
So what can I go Maya?
Young man, what is your problem? Were you deaf when I asked you never to cross this compound again? Or is it that you are deliberately looking for my trouble?
Not at all, sir. I cannot look for your trouble. Yeah, I cannot. It's just because the issue at hand it's very important. The gravity is huge. That's why it seems as though I'm overstepping my bounds.
And of course you're overstepping your bounds if you are here to talk to me about my daughter's education.
How can you be this adamant? I am pleading you not to have this opinion that females should not go to school. It is wrong. This is the 21st century. Women go to school these days and they come out great. We have a lot of prominent women who are doing great in politics.
Give me that scrap. It's only 5% of them. What about 95% who are in their husbands' kitchens? So don't preach to me about women's education because I know it better than you do. Okay, even if I want to send my daughter to school, I don't have the money. I don't have it.
At this point, the money is not the issue. All I need is for you to give your permission, just your consent. I will take care of the monetary aspect.
You will do what? Why would you want to do that?
I love Chidera. You know it. I know it. Chidera will be the happiest girl in this world if her dreams of becoming a nurse comes true. I cannot sit back and watch her wallow in that. All I'm doing is to assist her so that she enrolls in nursing school with her mates.
So you want me to allow you to train my daughter in school? So that tomorrow you will claim you have a leverage over her?
No, not at all, Onai. That's not true. I'm just doing it out of my goodwill and because of the relationship I have with this family. That's all.
You have just said it all. Bear in mind, I owe you nothing.
Thank you very much, sir, for at least accepting to give her your permission. Thank you. Where is she?
Bro, yes, easy, please.
Udoka, you played football with this leg yesterday, Okwia. Tell me the truth.
Bro, I swear, I didn't play ball. I only trekked from my house to the stream. I didn't play ball.
Don't lie to me, Udoka. From what I'm seeing, you have strained this leg. You have stressed it. You played football with this leg. Don't lie to me.
Yes, I did. But just for a while because someone kicked me there again.
You see? What is wrong with you? After everything I told you not to use this leg, allow it to rest. How do you expect it to heal? How?
Your leg is still not healed yet.
This useless boy went to play football with this leg.
You shouldn't have done that now. Or you don't want to use this leg anymore.
I want to use it. Just that it's a mistake. As much as I try to stay away, the love I have for football will not allow me.
Will not allow you help your leg to heal. How are you?
I'm fine. Be careful.
Easy, bro, easy.
Ma, I heard about the conversation you had with my father today. Why would you do that?
Is that the reason you came to see me?
Of course, yes. Why would you pay for my education when my father is still alive?
Because I care about you. What would you rather I did? Sit back and watch you wallow? No. Your father, it is obvious he's adamant. He doesn't want to shift his ground, and I cannot stand that. I can't watch you lose your dreams. I know this is what you crave for. I know your future depends on it, and I will do anything to make it happen.
Onye, You have a tender heart. Thank you so much. But you said my future depends on it.
Yes. I know your future depends on it. And nobody can stop you from going to school. I will do everything within my powers. Not even your father can stop that. I love you so much and I will do everything to make you.
Hey, we dance. I dance. Dance like your mother. Hey, Adam! Adam!
Mama, purchase it
see now you've done it.
Sorry
okay
now.
It's okay.
This is beautiful. Hey, wait, sister. So after now, what next? You fill the form, sit for the exams, and you're good to go.
No, that's not it though. You think it's that easy? For you to be fully admitted into nursing school, you have to write 3 different stages of examination. 3! Before I'll be finally admitted, Mama.
Why
3? Calm down, let me explain to you people. Before one can be admitted into the nursing school, you have to sit through 3 different stages of examinations. After writing the first one, if you excel, 3 weeks later, they will now call you for the next one. Which is called the written interview. If you scale through that one, Mama, the next day, they will now call you for another one. That one is called the oral interview. Mama, be listening to oral interview. Only after you've excelled through all these stages, before you will now be admitted alongside the other 100 students into the nursing school. But Mama, that's not all. Cool it down. Mama, see. 6 months after you've been admitted, you still write another examination. Hey, Mama. And this time around, only 50 students, 50, Mama, 50, will pass. That's amongst the 100 that were admitted that time. Only 50 of them. And these ones are the extremely lucky ones. Hey!
Oh, wait. My daughter, is this all you're going to pass through?
Mama, you think nursing school is this A for apple, B for ball kind of school? This is a very serious course. Very, very, very serious.
Sister, I'm sad though. Are you sure you're ready for all this?
By this blockhead. See, Mama, I know she does not trust me, but for me, I trust myself 100%.
I trust my daughter. She's intelligent. Very, very. And I know she will not like to disappoint us. Especially Onyeka, who made this possible.
Mama, don't worry. I will not disappoint any one of you. In fact, if they like, let them set 1,000,001 examination. Mama, trust me. I will pass all of them.
I know what you can do.
Please drop this thing. Celebrate with me, please, Mama. Celebrate with me. Mama, I'm so happy today.
Hey!
How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. Where's your father? There's a very important issue I want to discuss with him.
Papa is not around. He went to...
Emeka. You're back. Good afternoon. When did you come back from the city?
Last night.
You came back and you did not bother to tell anybody. Not even to see me.
No, please don't be angry with him. He has not been himself since he came back from the city. Won't you sit?
What is wrong?
He is having some issues with his master. His master accused him of stealing.
Chineke me.
And sent him packing after having the police brutalize him for days.
Hey! Wait, Nemeka. Tell me the truth. Did you steal your master's money?
Uncle, I have not stolen a dime from him. I've been with him for 6 years now. I have not stolen anything from him. Why now that my settlement should be in 3 weeks?
Oh, your settlement is almost due.
Yes.
Of course. Tony was supposed to settle your brother in 3 weeks' time. This
Really?
was a plot to escape his settlement after serving him for 6 years.
Indeed.
6 good years.
How can humans be this wicked and mean? How can he not want to settle you? After everything you have done for him and served him all these years. Where's Uncle?
Papa has been trying to resolve the matter. He has gone to see him.
Yes. He should go and see him. This is man's inhumanity to man. Let them talk it man to man. He came no man settle you after all these years. He must settle you. It is your right. Ewe.
6 good years.
Ewe.
6 years.
He must settle you. Ewe. Ha! Okay, Seme.
Emeka! Bia. I don't know. Bian. Come, all of you. Hey! No kono maya biko no. That man is heartless. That man cannot be a true Christian. He's unreasonable. Doesn't consider his fellow human beings. How could that happen? 7 years apprenticeship.
So, Papa, what you're trying to tell me is that my master is not going to settle me after my 7 years of relentless service to him.
That's what it is, oh. That's what happened. I went to him, he didn't talk reasonably. Maybe because I'm a poor person, very helpless. I can't fight him physically. But I assure you, this fight will not end here. I'll go to the Igwe and make sure that justice is implemented. I'll do that.
Papa. Sorry, Papa. Papa, I don't trust this. I have no confidence in the Igwe and his cabinet. Tony is going to influence their judgment with money. He planned this from the onset. He never wanted to settle you.
He must settle me. He must settle me. My 7 years of service to him can never be in vain. Never.
Don't worry.
What are you going to do about it? Are you going to fight him? Relax, Biko. Just relax. Leave everything to God. Let God fight for you.
But Papa, I still think you should go and see the Igwe. Go and see him.
I must go and see the Igwe. I assure you, your 7 years apprenticeship will not go in vain.
Sorry, Papa.
Sorry.
Papa, sorry.
This man must belong to a powerful cult. To have the audacity to do this to some other person's son.
I agree, Papa.
Hey! Onye na-agụrụ akwụkwọ ekpughị dangwụlọ. Onye na-agụrụ akwụkwọ ekpu...
Hey!
Papa, did I get you water?
Maybe you should stop talking, please. It's okay, Papa.
Oh.
See, I really enjoyed my examination. It wasn't as tough as I expected.
Me too. I so much enjoyed it. I can't wait for the result to come out.
Yes, so and I know we are going to pass with flying colors. Then we'll also pass our oral interview and finally secure admission. I can't wait.
Oh, thanks to God. I know we are there already.
We are there already. See, honestly, I almost gave up hope when Papa said he was not going to pay for any stupid nursing school.
All thanks to Onyeka.
Yes, sir.
But Odera, see, Onyeka loves you so much. It's only a man who truly loves a woman can do such for her. And let me tell you, don't joke with him, just be nice to him.
Of course I
don't want to hear tomorrow that you disappoint him because I will not take that from you.
See, it's Odera plus Onyeka equals forever.
Love, my titi fucking feel. I almost forgot that you guys are like Romeo and Juliet.
Wait a minute, Emeka. You mean the Igwe supported the Oga?
Exactly, Igwe did.
I mean, just like that.
Igwe could not give me the justice I deserve. Probably my Oga soiled his hands with money just to pervert justice.
So sad. So sad. After all your sufferings, all these years, it will never be well with that man. Never at all. So, Amy, what are you going to do now?
I'm confused too, Oga. I'm just very confused. I don't know where to go from here. You know the worst part? I did not save a dime when I was with him. I served him so diligently that I could not save even one kobo. That man has just ruined my life.
It's so sad. But, Amy, take it easy, okay? It is not the end of the world. Hence there is life. Believe me, there is hope. If I tell you my own story, the effort I have made so far to progress as a professional footballer, how many screenings I have gone and excelled, but just to raise little money to facilitate my traveling. My two rich uncles will be telling me stories, telling me unbelievable stories. But I know, I have not lost hope. Because I know my time shall come.
Well, I also pray that your time will come, Oga. Honestly, in my own case, I'm very much confused. I don't just know where to go from here. And I can't just start farming with my parents. You know it's not possible.
Then your uncle. Amy, I would have asked you to join me. So why don't you assist your uncle in his profession and seek the way forward from there?
Bone setting.
Amy, you don't need to think about this. You have to join your uncle in his profession and seek the way forward from there.
Well, I've heard you, Doka.
It's okay.
Emeka, are you sure you want to do this?
Uncle, I am very sure. Let me just use it while I wait time instead of staying at home all day and waste my time.
Okay, if you're sure you want to do it, maybe I'll put you through it. Then we can be doing it together and running it until we're able to raise some money to start you a business.
That'll be very fine, Uncle. Thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you very much.
It's alright. Luka.
Well done, Uncle.
Anya got the punya. I'll be about ball.
Take it easy now.
Take it easy on me, oh. I am being a man, oh.
Sorry.
I'm being a man, oh.
Keep the legs steady.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man, now. It's okay. Take it easy.
Okay, I'm taking it easy.
Hey!
I'm taking it easy. I'm taking it easy.
Sorry, I am attending to his fracture, so just free. Look at how you look. It's like they made this uniform specifically because of you.
Really?
Yes, turn around, turn around. Do that dance that you do for me. Do that.
You mean it really looks good on me?
Very, very good. You need to stand before a mirror and view yourself.
Amy, tell me that he's flattering me.
Flattering?
Of course he's not. You look very wonderful in that dress.
If you just want my hair to swell.
Anyway, how is it? Nice. I know, don't worry. Let's go inside. Emeka, come down.
All right.
Hey, go in front. Go in front.
Sorry.
Hey, take it easy. Take it easy.
I'll be a man now.
Yeah. I'm being a man. Oh. I'm being a man.
Keep it straight.
Are you trying to tell me that my uncle is the person sponsoring this girl in school?
Of course. The news is everywhere. He's not hiding it. Don't tell me you have not heard about it.
Yes, I have heard about it, but initially I didn't believe it. Until I got to see things myself. I mean, why did my uncle choose to train a girl in school? Somebody that her parents just refused to send to school. He just took it upon himself to train her in school. You know what my problem is here? How is my uncle going to be able to raise the money he promised to give me, to set me up with a business next year? How is it?
It's indeed worrisome, but Emeka, your uncle is a grown man. You don't tell him what to do.
Look, I understand my uncle is a grown-up, but I don't think he's taking the right decision here. I mean, as a man, I understand he wants to get married to the girl after school. Yes, but I don't think he's taking the right decision. Understand my own side.
Don't say that. They are deeply in love with each other. But the truth is, her father is the obstacle here. Understand? But as for Chidera, she is madly in love with your uncle. She loves your uncle so much.
Look, I leave
so
that
that's
love.
what you should consider.
Honestly, leave that love of a thing by the side. You should know what my worry is.
Your uncle is a grown man, a grown-up man, and he's training a girl in school.
Leave that thing you're talking.
Mama, I forgot to tell you. Onyeka really surprised me, Mama. Hey, Mama. Do you know that I did not know that Onyeka has such a huge amount of money to pay for my tuition? Hey! Mama, not just that too. Do you know that Onyeka gave me the money I needed for everything? He also gave me pocket money.
Hey! He gave you pocket money.
Pocket money, Mama.
God. How? God, continue to bless this Onyeka for me. Hey! That young man is so nice and decent. Men like him are rare. My dear, hold tight onto him, oh. You will regret it if you ever leave him.
I don't need to be told. Me and Onyeka forever.
Amen. God. So, my dear, when are you finally moving to school?
This weekend, Mama.
Oh, this weekend?
Yes, Mama. Okay. Mama, I know you're going to miss me, but don't worry, I'll be coming to see you, okay?
I will miss you.
I will miss you too, Mama.
Actually, Mama. Oh, my dear. Now, I'm so happy for you. Thank you, Mama. And at the same time, I'm proud of you. Thank you, Mama. Hey!
Tell your father that the meeting is scheduled for 5 o'clock at the usual place. He knows the place.
Papa, I'll be leaving first.
Okay, greet your teachers for me. Tell them whenever I have time I will come and see them. And please, school is not a place for gossip. This you all know, but you have to keep it behind.
Papa,
and
Papa.
go there. No, go there and face your studies.
Papa, I'm not on bow.
That's why I'm saying this. If you can run away from your Onuba, nobody will call you Onuba again. It's all right. You can now go. Thank your teachers for me. And greet them.
Papa, are you not going to at least at least pocket money?
Hey, you know, we agreed on this. I'm not supposed to contribute a dime. But of course, I would have. But unfortunately, I don't have it.
My daughter, please, let's go.
Safe journey, don't forget to greet your teachers,
Sure.
Are you leaving for school? Yes. Hey, that is beautiful. Now you want to see how? Yes. I'm here to see manager. Bye bye you. Hey, Nai. I'm fine, Nai. I can see your daughter is leaving for Cambridge.
My sister, that is it too. She's leaving after sucking me dry. In fact, if I were alive, I would have died. This school of nursing is a money-sucking institution. Honestly. Hey.
No, but you have to enjoy it. It's for our future. And besides, people will benefit from it.
That's what everybody is saying.
I
invested big money upon big money, big money. In fact, I'm only praying to be alive till the day this venture will become fruitful. Kamhata wana zuno.
Igahata, hey, Igahata. She got a mad drop easy.
Yeah.
Nine.
Yeah.
Let me go.
It's all right.
Turn like this. Sorry, Papa. Sorry, Papa, you'll be fine, Papa. Sorry. Just manage your enter. Let's go to the office. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Bye, please.
What is it?
Uncle, my father was rushed to the hospital this morning.
Why? What happened?
His sickness, it got worse last night, so we rushed him to the hospital this morning. And the doctor is demanding a deposit of 40,000 naira before he can commence treatment.
40 guinea?
Yeah, 40,000.
Where does he want you to get that kind of money?
We don't have any time on us.
Obi, please, help me, my father.
What is wrong with your father? You're supposed to be in school.
Yes, I got a very urgent call that my father was knocked down by a bike man. He was rushed to the hospital and the doctor said he's not going to touch him unless a deposit of 20,000 naira is made. Please, Dikeh, Help me save my father, please.
Oh my God. Emeka, how serious is your father serious?
Uncle, he is very serious.
Is his father ill?
Yes. Critically ill. And the doctors are demanding 40,000 naira before they can touch him. And all I have in here is 25,000 naira. I want to go and...
That can save my father's life.
Are you sure?
Yes. See, please, Obin, just...
But my father is... Emeka, she's right, eh? Why go up? Just take it easy. Tell Uncle I'll come and see him later. Let me just give her the money. Her father is lying critically. He will die. You want him to die?
Your father is only ill, but mine is critically injured. Then please, sorry.
Let's go.
Come and see him together.
I'll come later.
How serious is the illness?
Udoka, it is very, very serious. As I'm talking to you, my father is lying helplessly in the hospital. And the doctor is demanding 40,000 naira as deposit.
So why don't you check on your uncle Onyeka?
Please forget about my uncle. Just give me this money. I promise I'll give it back to you. Please.
Yes, again. You mean the 40,000 naira? Emeka, where can I get such amount of money from? Look. The only money I'm having on me here is the 10,000 naira I have been saving for my football screening trip next week. That's it.
Udoka, just give it to me. Give it to me. I promise I'll bring this money back to you before you will need it. It's a promise, please.
I said I'm saving that money for an important trip. You're here telling me to give you the money.
This is my father's health. It is his life, please. I'm your friend. I'll give you back this money, please. Just help me.
So you mean the doctor refused to accept the 10,000 naira?
He refused to accept the money. As I speak to you, my father is very critical at the hospital. I don't even know if he's still living or not.
Come on, Amy. Don't say that. Nothing will happen to your father, okay?
I find that so easy to say. Udoka, I don't understand how critical my father's condition is.
But despite that, nothing will happen to him. Don't go that far. Alright?
Just look at what you're saying.
Emeka, are you the only one at home? Is your father not back from the hospital?
He's still in the hospital.
Is it that serious?
I thought he said he told you.
Yeah, he did, but Chidera's father got hit by a vehicle.
My father's condition was getting very, very worse. But you chose the one that was more important to you.
Don't say that now, Emeka. You couldn't like this now. Eh? How can you say this? You know it's not true. You know how much I love my uncle, your father. I'm sorry, I didn't know what I was doing. I just acted on impulse. I'm sorry about that. Has the doctor attended to him?
He has not done anything. As I speak to you, his condition is still very critical.
Jesus Christ.
The doctors are just there with him.
This is not fair now. How can these doctors act like this? So they want Uncle to just be there in the hospital, lying down, and they will not touch him. You know what, Emeka? Not to worry, I'll run around. I'll see what I can do to raise money. Tomorrow morning, I'll make sure we go there together so that they can start treatment on him. I'll do everything possible to make sure Uncle is treated. Inugo, just calm down. He'll be fine. Don't worry.
Where's my body? Ada? What is it? What? Your father? Hey! What is going on here? My body is dead? Hey! Sorry.
Take it easy. Just take it easy.
Hey!
Udoka, is it? Are you some police?
Omeka, what happened to my uncle? Hey!
Chamakai.
Hey!
Go and bring it for Papa. Fast. Putoche.
Papa, something bad happened today. I don't even know how to say it.
Something bad?
Yes, Mama. Papa, Mazoji is dead.
Mazoji? Nine.
Mourners are all over his compound, Mama. He said he died early this morning.
Hey!
He died because the doctors did not give him attention. Just because his family could not provide the money they requested for his treatment, Papa. Mazoji now died.
Hey! Oh! What are you saying?
Why? Why now, Uncle? After everything? So this sickness finally took him. This man suffered for me. He did everything to make sure I survived when my parents died while I was 15. He took me in. There was nothing I asked of him that he did not do. Now at the time he needed me the most, I couldn't help him. How was I know he was going to die? How? He just died like that. If I had known, I would have gone to settle the hospital bill.
It's okay. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. If only you had gone to save your uncle instead of my father. It's all because of me. And I understand you did all of this because you love me. You did everything because you care so much for me. You do not want to see me in pain. I'm so sorry. It's all my fault.
Don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. It's my fault. I didn't know it was that serious. I didn't know. I could have done something. If you knew how much this man saved my life, you wouldn't be saying this. Now my biggest burden is how to go to his house and tell his children sorry. With which face do I stand before them? What would I tell them? When I would have helped, but I didn't help. I was too selfish. I did not know he was going to die.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't worry, I'm here for you. I love you so much. Don't worry, okay? Just calm down. Please calm down.
Now I don't have any father figure anymore.
It's okay.
He refused to save my father's life, even when he had the opportunity to do that. Because I remember vividly how I ran into his father's compound that very good day. Telling him how critical my father's condition was. Then Chidera ran in too, with the news of her father being knocked down by a vehicle, that they needed money for his treatment. Then somebody that calls himself my uncle abandoned me in that compound and left with Chidera just to save a stranger, in place of a man who took care of him since he lost his parents.
That was so bad of him. He got it all wrong.
Heaven and earth know that what he did was very wrong. Now he wants to contribute to the burial of a man he killed himself.
He said that?
Of course, he came to my house last night, apologizing, saying we should allow him to take care of the burial. I told him no, that he shouldn't bother himself. We don't even need his help. I even told him not to come to mock us.
No, Emeka, calm down now. Emeka, see, one thing you have to understand is that your uncle made a mistake and he's showing remorse for it. He wished your father dead. He had no reason to, because we all know he loved him.
Udoka, just stop that. Stop that. I don't want to take that from you at all. How do you mean he loved my father and he couldn't save his life?
Emeka, like I said before, he made a mistake. And believe me, he didn't know your father was going to die.
How do you mean? When he knew exactly how critical my father's condition was. Udoka, my uncle is a core womanizer. If you don't know what to say, just shut your mouth. He just chose that girl at the expense of my father's health. And now you want me to believe it, to forgive him.
You will, Emeka, you will.
I have told you I'm not going to forgive him in this life. Not even in the next life.
You will. What depends? Just calm down. Calm down your nerves.
Sorry about that.
Are you headed this way?
Yes, this way.
Oh, that's fine. Can I drop you guys if you don't mind?
Oh, thank you very much. We don't know you, so you don't have to bother. We can.
You know, I actually seen you some couple of times in this villa. Okay, you know what? I'll just introduce myself. My name is Sophia. I'm late Chief Tobias Wefi's daughter.
Oh, from Urobala village. Yes, I know you. I've seen you before.
Okay, that's fine. Can I know your names?
Yes, my name is Oinye.
Okay.
Odera.
No, ma.
I'm Ego. I can see you guys are nursing students.
Yes, we are. We actually just finished our exams and we're coming home for the holidays.
That means I'll see you more often then. Yes. Please let me drop you girls, please.
Let's go. Ego. No, ma. Okay, yeah.
That lady?
Oh, Sophia.
Her name is Sophia.
Yes. Her brother stays in Europe. He made a lot of money. In fact, she's into money. Spending money anyhow.
No wonder. But honestly, God is very partial. He'll just go to one place and shower all his blessings there and just forget about other people.
Ego, are you now saying that God is partial?
Is he not? After all, my brother Meze has been in this same Europe for the past 6 years. He has not sent a pin. How for? We have not seen.
Biko, let's go. When is your brother's turn? His own grace, favor and luck will shine. Everything in life is all about grace, favor and luck. So let's go, Biko.
Chika, you mean you met her still?
Oh yes, I did. Mama, she's very pretty.
Oh.
Mama, she's exactly what brother would like. If brother sees this one, brother will just faint. She's very pretty.
You're sure your brother, my son Kenneth, will like her very well?
Crystal sure. Very sure, Mama. Very sure.
Okay, if you say so, I would like to see her too.
Yes. Okay. She's my friend already, so I'll just invite her. In fact, I'll bring her personally here.
Alright, Eriju, I'll be leaving you here. Make sure you get everything that we need, okay? And come back quick.
Sister, what are you talking about? I thought we were supposed to go to the market together.
Look at this one. It's not only market. I'll follow you into the bedroom. My friend, go, Joe. See. I'm not seeing Onyekachi. Yesterday I got back. Let me quickly rush and go and see him, okay?
Sister, it's not fair.
What is not fair? I can't explain to you. Go to the market.
I know you want to see Onyeka, but it's not fair.
What is not fair? Look at your long head. Don't worry, Would you make sure you come back?
Hi! Hey girl, what's up?
Sophia, right?
Oh, come on. How could you have forgotten my name so soon and I remember you? What's up now? Okay, please, come. Where are you going to?
I was actually going to see my friend.
Oh, come on, she can wait. Look, I'm going somewhere. I'm going for shopping. So I would love you to accompany me if you don't mind. Please?
No, I want to just see my friend.
No, she can wait now. Please, look, I'm beginning to like you. I don't just see anybody and like that person. I saw you and I just have this likeness for you. Please. Please now. Okay, let's go.
Wow. Hey. So this is your house?
No, it's my brother's house. I thought you've seen it before.
No. I've not even passed through this place before. I've heard of it though, but I've not passed it before. Wow, the house is so beautiful. Yeah. So that your brother built it?
Mm-hmm. If you see the one in the city, you will drop your hat.
The house is so beautiful. Thank you.
It's okay, let's go inside. Let me show you inside. Hey, mommy.
I heard voices. And I decided to come out and check the intruders in my compound. I didn't know you were the one.
Where is your gun?
My dear, I decided to check first in order to decide on the exact weapon I was going to use. Whether to use the Obunigwe or the Kokoma.
Please don't bring anything out. It's your lovely daughter and her very pretty friend, Chidera. She's very beautiful.
She is beautiful indeed. Prettier than you are, you know.
Mama, I'm not surprised. You're always comparing me to other beautiful ladies. I'm the ugliest daughter in your eyes, mommy. It's not good.
And have I been wrong about that?
But you love me like that now.
Do I have a choice? I don't have a choice. Monkey no fine. Boy, mama like her. So I'm not going to throw away you.
Mama, you people are so funny. Don't mind, Mama. You are actually beautiful.
Hey! Obinna! Don't tell me you're among those who are deceiving my daughter like she's beautiful.
Oh,
better tell her the truth.
Mommy, stop.
You are not.
Thank you. Maybe let's go inside, Jerry. Let me show you around.
Ah! Welcome, my dear. Welcome. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hey! Well, you are welcome to my little hut. So what do we offer you?
Please don't call this a hut. This is the biggest house I've ever seen.
You serious? If you see the one my brother built in Lagos, you would doff your hat. Not just that one, the one in Texas, United States. My sister, beautiful.
Really? Of course, my dear. God has richly blessed my son. You know, but we are not here to discuss about him, even though your friend Sophia likes to brag about her brother's wealth. It's all about your first visit to our house. So I want you to tell me what we are going to offer you, because we have foods and drinks in varieties. So tell me.
No, nothing, Ma. Thank you very much.
Don't even go there. Don't go there. You know what? Wait a minute. I'm coming.
My dear.
Yes,
Ma. Are you from this village?
Yes, I'm Iyafokhai's daughter.
Oh, Iyafokhai. That's beautiful. Really? Are you a student?
Yes, I am. I'm actually a nursing student, but right now we are home on vacation.
Oh, that is beautiful. You are really carving a beautiful future for yourself. Thank you. I love nurses, you know.
I've been keeping this foreign wine for a special guest. You can have it.
Thank you. Thank you, Ma.
My dear, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, my brother is calling. Hello, brother. Good afternoon. I'm fine. Mama, Mama is sleeping, no? She's not here. I'm just here with my friend. My beautiful friend came to see me.
Okay.
You want to speak with her? Okay, brother. Hold on. Adera.
Hello? Yes, I am. Chidera. Yes, I am.
Sorry, I wish I could speak further with you, but I'm quite busy now. I'll talk to you.
Okay. Thank you for you.
Okay. Hello, brother. Yes. She has a beautiful voice. Yes, she has. She doesn't just have a beautiful voice. She's very beautiful. Don't even go there. Don't go there. Okay, brother. Later. All right. Hey, my brother said you have a very beautiful voice.
Thank you.
Dear Sophie.
Mama.
I will kill in this house. Why did you tell your brother that I was asleep?
Mama, I did that as a revenge. You remember what you did to me 2 nights ago? You refused me to speak with brother. You guys spoke for 2 hours. I could not speak to my own brother.
Look at her head. I'm not coming. I will deal with you in this house.
I'm sorry. What do you want? You want to eat anything?
Thank you. Thank you very
Did your mother ask you not to eat in somebody's house? What's wrong with you? Eat something now.
No, I'm fine. This is enough. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
My dear.
Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome. Bless you too. You're welcome.
Papa. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sophia, meet my father, my mother, and my younger sister, Ucheama. And Papa,
yes.
Meet Sophia. She's my friend. She's the daughter of late Chief Tobias.
Oh, the one that has a very rich brother who lives abroad.
Yes,
hey, you are very welcome. You're welcome, eh?
You're welcome, my daughter. Thank you, ma. How's your mother? Very well, thank you.
What of your brother? Is he in the country now?
Oh, no, he's not around. He works for some foreign investors, so he's not around at the moment.
Hey!
Sir, I'm so sorry. I really have to go. I have something important I need to attend to.
Not so soon. You haven't been here before.
I'll visit again, I promise. I just came to drop my friend.
Hey, Chez. Is that so?
My regards to your mother.
Greet everybody for me, eh?
I'm coming, let me see you after.
It's alright.
It's
alright.
Bye-bye.
So he said that you bought all this for you. You're taking this one.
I know, bring it first, eh? Yes, she did. Do you know that she was even forcing me to take them? Take. I was initially refusing, but later I took all of them.
Hey! So that means you visited their beautiful house.
Of course I did. I went inside the house. Not just that. The mother gave me this, and asked me to bring it home.
This is foreign, no?
Yes, Papa.
Expensive
wine, Papa.
You're foreign.
Hey, Papa. You can't believe that. Their brother called. And can you believe I also spoke with him on the phone?
Hey, but what did he say?
Nothing of importance, so we just had a little chat.
Hey, is that so?
Yes, Papa.
Honestly, my daughter, these are the kind of people you have to mingle with. Oh, they are the nobody. They are the very nice people.
Papa.
Hey.
Mama, how long did you say you've known this girl?
Just 2 days now, Mama. 2 days.
You see? Only 2 days.
Yes. She brought us when we were returning from school the other day. Today again, I ran into her and she begged me to accompany her to a nearby town for shopping. That was why she bought all these things for me. She also drove me to her house, introduced me to her mother. Papa, you can't believe that her mother is a very friendly person. Hey, you need to see the way she was chatting with the mother. They're just talking. Papa, there's no dull moment in that house.
But I didn't know that those people are friendly.
They are.
Because everyone in this village tends to be scared of them. Maybe it's because our brother has so much money. I don't know.
Rapu Kenendo see me. These are good people.
They are very nice.
They are not church no bodo. They are very nice people, honestly. Yes.
Papa,
Yes.
let me go and try out my tea.
Okay.
Papa, let me
not now. You go and try out your stuff.
Papa,
Yes.
You've been looking at your phone. Are you expecting a call?
Oh yes, I am. I don't like driving and picking calls. My brother promised to call exactly this hour, so I'm just waiting for his call.
Really?
Yes. Oh, here he is. Hello, bro. What's up? Okay, I'm with her right now.
Okay, hold on.
Hello?
Hello, my dear, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm pretty good, dear. Now, my sister has told me much about you. So many things about you. Your goodness, you're beautiful, you're pretty, and all that. And you've been in my thoughts for a couple of days now. So I asked her to allow me to speak to you again.
Really? But there's nothing special about me. You're just exaggerating.
Oh, honey. Anyway, don't worry. I'm going to stay home very soon. I hope we'll gladly forget of seeing your beautiful.
It will be a pleasure to see you.
Okay. Okay. Let me not say much until when I come. I will like to see you. We have to see. Definitely, so we'll talk about.
Okay.
I'm very busy now. I have to go. Now I'm going to take care of you. I will see you again.
Alright, thank you very much. Let me give it. I want to give it to Sophia so that you could say, hello.
Well, I guess he has spoken to the person that really matters to him. That one person that matters to him. I'm irrelevant.
What do you mean, the one person that really matters to him?
Nothing.
Come on, Joe, talk to me. What do you mean?
Oh, Odera, what do you want me to say? Look, I think my brother is in love with you. From the very first time he spoke to you on the phone, he's been talking about you, bothering me about you. And do you know he even spoke to my mom about you last night? He said that he wants to marry you. He's just crazy. Yes, my brother is just crazy, I'm telling you. That's really good, Jerry. You don't mind him.
Welcome. Thank you, you came to see us.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Odera! I am here for you to look me into the eyes and tell me that you do not know you are making a huge mistake. Tell me!
Oh, what's this about? Come, let's just go inside. Let's go. Come.
This is not why I am here. Do not pretend. You know exactly what I am talking about. Odera, how could you say that to Onyeka? After all he's done for you, after all you guys have shared, after all the emotional commitment. Oh, you think the best thing to do is to pay him off with money? Oh my God. How could you be so unreasonable? I thought I knew you. I thought you were my friend. How could you?
So, all this ranting is because of Onyeka?
Oh, it's not worth it. Are you being real or you've lost your sanity? All because of some money that has been splashed on you? Tell me!
Hey! Hold it right there. And what are you talking about? What's all this?
You stay out of this. After all, you are the cause of this whole thing. You bought my friend's sanity with your brother's questionable wealth.
Stop it, Onyeka! Stop it! I will not have you talk to her this way.
What's going on here? This girl again. What's going on here?
Papa, it's good you're here. This swine is trying to quarrel your daughter simply because she doesn't want to marry who she wants her to marry. I don't get it.
Really? I beg of you, do not call me names. I won't take it from you.
You don't have the right to come in here and say just such nonsense. Now, leave my compound. Will you leave my compound?
If you do this,
this same girl.
You're very wicked.
This same girl.